Hey, this is Connor, just giving you a quick walkthrough of how to scrape some data from Canada 411. So Canada 411 has a really great tool for reverse lookups based on postal code or address. I found that the address lookup wasn't so accurate, but the postal code lookup does a really great job. So what I did is I looked up all the postal codes that were available in Saanich, just based on like the first three letters, and from that I made a little spreadsheet using these first three letters over here. I made a spreadsheet of every combination that's possible of postal codes that are in Saanich. So there's 28,600, I think. And yeah, so then I took those postal codes and in here, actually, in the URL of this page, see here I searched for V8N2C5. That was my search term. Well, in the URL up here, it actually shows V8N2C5 in the URL. So if you wanted to have a different search term, let's say V8N2C6, right, which is my postal code. Hit go, and it's going to give us the results for that postal code. So using this, I made a little script to pull the content off the pages after searching for every possible postal code in Saanich. And I have a little special software that does that, and it's just designed to do that kind of thing. So what this does is it reads from a little file. I'll show you the kind of file we're working with. So I just made a little demo file. I made this in Excel. All I did was take the first bit of the URL and then throw in, see how over here that all the postal codes are different. So I just kind of did a little merge in Excel and made a short little list. I have a much longer list, but I'm just showing you for a demo of the short one. So I made a short little list, and then I pull that list into my script, and I just run my script pretty quick. And what it's going to do, it's going to process all those URLs and pull the data off of the page that I've told it to do. I just told it to grab what was it? Name, phone number, address, and postal code. So now we just did that quick little extraction here, and what happens there is that we just go into Excel, and I'm just going to grab that file there. Sorry, 1 second. And I just grabbed the file that was output. I told it to make a file postal code output. We open it up. I say, okay, next. Right. And then here's the data that it grabbed from the page. So if we take a look at like V8N2C6, we see that the first one, first result has this phone number of 472-1730, and then looking at the output from the script, 472-1713. Oh yeah, same thing. And yeah, so using that, we have all the nice data. We have like address and name and phone number of anyone who lives in Saanich, which not necessarily they're registered for voting. So what we then do is we go to the voter list and we compare the two sets of data. So the voter list is right here. Sorry, I'm going to just copy this data. So the voter list is right here. This is kind of a sample voter list where we have all the information except for phone number. So all I do is sorry, this is from a test from before. I paste in the content that I want that I just pulled from that demo file. And now let's pretend that these are actual voters. Okay, like they're real people. Made a little command or script for Excel. So I just paste that in here, and what it does is it compares the value of this address with the address of the results from the scraped file or the web page results. So then I can just fill that down to here, and it'll automatically look up the address with the data. So anyone who isn't on the voter list that you have is going to show up as like an NA, and you know that those are people who have a listed phone number but are not registered to vote. So anyway, that's a nice little target list for you. I hope this helps. I'll do a full scrape of all 26,000 postal codes a little bit later today. Anyway, thanks so much. Bye-bye.